ActionSA plans to fix overcrowding and placement crisis in schools. Today, Wednesday, January 17th, marked the official opening of schools in the country, but the day was not as seamless as expected. Overcrowding, insufficient placement of learners and incomplete or non-repaired schools were some of the talking points as parents and observers expressed dissatisfaction. As we mark the start of the 2024 school year, many of our schools continue to experience challenges such as general failure in learner placements, overcrowded classrooms, and union interference, amongst many other issues, ActionSA observed. We have a plan to fix our broken education system by addressing these critical issues that have annihilated our educational outcomes so that our children can reach their fullest potential and stimulate economic growth, ActionSA promised. Meanwhile, earlier today, the Gauteng Provincial Chairperson Fanzine Bobini visited Nsoko Secondary School in Soshanguve to offer words of encouragement to the learners and wish the matric class of 2024 well as the new academic year commences. As ActionSA, we see education as the key to a better future. When we get into government, the transformation of our education system will be our key priority, because it's only when all South Africans are empowered through quality education we can hope to achieve shared prosperity and economic growth, said Nobini during the visit. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.